in here. Zoe! Live.
Oh, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and Killian. Today we're going to be searching through our mom's bag. Kind of curious to see what's in here. Let's get started. Let's start.
Make us up.
Right. Is a Olay. Let's see if there's more day in here. There's just cards in here. No cash, unfortunately.
Hey,
You know what?
this it looks like a suitcase. It's like a mini suitcase.
That's cute.
What is it? Hello. What's in here?
My cups.
I don't know it'll be a wallet.
Well, we already found a wallet. I think mine has 2 wallets.
I mean, one can only drink. Like,
Next thing we have is our phone. Oh, it's the wallpaper. Guys, do you want to see this revolutionary wallpaper?
sound revolution.
The default wallpaper.
Can I have at least like some style in her wallpaper? It's just grass.
It's just grass. Something you need to touch.
You cannot be talking.
It's my actual thing. Since I took out the glasses, I'll take them out.
You can take the no whatever. It's not your prescription anyway, so I thought you could see.
No, these are not prescription glasses.
Really?
These are glasses. No.
It's just like glasses.
They're just sunglasses.
Oh.
No.
Okay. It's perfume. Yeah. For some reason, I thought this was some kind of skin.
Skincare.
Yeah.
My friend. Let me see how it smells.
Sounds like mine.
Yep. Oh.
It's mine. The bottle.
It's mine. It's wild shining.
You take it.
Ah. Bio oil body lotion.
Body lotion.
I don't know why she has body lotion in her bag, but
Yeah, maybe she leaves it. My hands. There's some floss here.
floss. She has floss.
That's floss. Dental floss.
Close. Maybe floss. Okay. Next we have a book. It's her own book.
May your kingdom come.
Yeah.
About this.
Here's the next thing.
I'm sorry for reading here.
Another pair of sunglasses.
These are the delicate prescription. It's hurting my head. I can't look at it. I
Next
feel like
thing.
I've just seen it now.
Gotcha. Alright. Next thing we have is
Let's just
charger.
play.
A charger.
Let's just play. Yes. It's a whatever brick. I just call it a brick. This thing.
Is that what it's called?
I have no idea what it's called. Let's call it a brick all my life.
Okay. Love the next thing.
It's one less hand sanitizer.
You always need that hand sanitizer. Wait, isn't that mine? No! I've been wondering where my hand sanitizer went. It's mine!
Smell it.
She really took my thing without even asking.
Shame.
I don't need your commentary.
But that's what I'm here for. You don't want commentary, I can do.
Alright, I'll take out the next thing.
I'm taking sunglasses.
Okay. Next we have Vaseline.
What's that?
What are you saying?
Oh,
Vaseline. I need this for my lips. Hey, I'm gonna steal this. Shit, I stole my thing, so I still hers.
Not sure if this last few things have important because I just. Oh, it is. It's the toothpaste.
Why does mom have toothpaste in her bag?
I don't know. Maybe she needs it for something. I don't know.
Brushing her teeth at work.
It's not out the table. She could be brushing her teeth in the bathroom.
Not Alright, is there anything else in here?
I think there's one thing.
Ooh, a pen.
I need this.
I need it.
You can share.
A pen?
Yes.
Diabolical. No.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. You break it in half and the half that works.
Guys, you're not serious. You're not serious, bro.
Who's that? Why is mom's driver's license and ID not in her purse?
Yeah, that's kind of weird. Maybe it's for like convenience. If she gets pulled over, then she can just, because you know that the police in
That's only in America.
Hi. In America, you should see South Africa, my friend. The policemen here, they're not being short.
I don't know what these. I think these are for earphones.
That is it.
Where's the money? I was promised money during this.
Like,
So you pay up.
bro, you think I have money? I just said, all I said when we were gonna make the video is, Kellen, let's raid Mom's bag. There might be money. That's what I said. I didn't promise nix. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.